Good afternoon everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about the Artemis 2 mission, the NASA fast crew mission to travel around the moon since the Apollo mission. The mission purpose is to tap deep space exploration systems and prepare for future moon and Mars mission. So you're going to wonder what is that? And what do they do and what is their proposal for that mission? So what is that? Artemis 2 is a fast crew mission on NASA Artemis program. The mission was sent 4 astronauts around the moon and safely back to Earth using the Orion spacecraft and space launch system as a last rocket. It is planned as the first human lunar flyby mission since the Apollo era. So what did they do? Their purpose is to launch astronauts into space aboard the Orion spacecraft, travel around the moon without landing, and test spacecraft system, navigation, communications, and light support with humans on board, return safely to Earth after the mission. And what is their purpose? So purpose of Artemis 2 is mainly aimed for prepare for future moon landing mission like Artemis 3 tests whether the Orion spacecraft is safe for astronauts and help scientists and engineers learn more about these space travel and support NASA's long-term goal of human exploration of the moon and eventually Mars. In this Artemis 2, they include 4 astronauts. They are Rick Reisman, Veda Clover, Christina Koch, and Jeremy Hansen. Ray Reisman is an American astronaut engineer and former U.S. Navy pilot. He was selected by NASA in 2009 and had some time living and working on the International Space Station as ISS. Reisman is the commander of the Artemis 2 mission, which will send astronauts around the moon. He is known for his leadership, spaceflight experience, and contribution to human space exploration. So next is Veda Clover. He is an American astronaut, Navy aviator, and engineer. He became the first black astronaut to live on the International Space Station ISS for a long-duration mission. And on Artemis 2, he will serve as the pilot and help operate the spacecraft during the mission around the moon. This is Christina Koch. She is an American astronaut as well, an engineer known for setting the record for the longest single space flight by a woman. She also took part in the first all-female spacewalk. On Artemis 2, she served as a mission specialist and support scientific and operational tasks. The last but not least is Jeremy Hansen. He is a Canadian astronaut, fighter pilot, and engineer from the Canadian Space Agency. Artemis 2 will be his space mission, making him the first Canadian to travel around the moon. He worked as a mission specialist and assist with mission operation and research. So after introducing the Artemis 2 mission and its 4 astronauts, today I will mainly focus on Christina Koch, one of the mission specialists. Christina Koch is an American NASA astronaut and electrical engineer. She was selected by NASA in 2013 and became famous for setting the record for the longest single space mission by a woman, spending 328 days on board the International Space Station ISS. During her mission, she worked on hundreds of scientific experiments related to biology, technology, and space research. She also participated in the first all-female spacewalk in history. Next is her passions and interests. Christina Koch is known for loving adventure, explorations, and challenging environment since she was young. In NASA and interview video, she often talked about how she was always curious about the world and wanted to explore places that were difficult to reach. Before becoming an astronaut, she worked in extreme locations like Antarctica, Greenland, and Alaska, which have built her passion for exploration and survival challenges. She enjoyed activities like rock climbing, surfing, backpacking, photography, running, and traveling. NASA also mentioned that she liked taking on physical and mental challenges, which inspired her dreams of going to space. In Artemis 2 mission also, Christina Koch worked as mission specialist. Her work is to helped manage spacecraft systems, spoke communication with mission control, and assisted the crew during the journey around the moon. She has monitored the Orion spacecraft equipment, safety systems, and mission operation while astronaut travel in deep space. She also supported scientific and technical tasks during the mission. Her experience for a long stay on the International Space Station ISS helped NASA understand how astronauts can safely travel farther into space in future moons and Mars missions. She had also made history on Artemis 2 as the first woman to travel around the moon and one of the first astronauts in the Artemis program preparing for future lunar landing. So to wrap it all up, her journey shows us the importance of courage, curiosity, and determination. Through her story, through her work in space and on Artemis 2, she is helping shape the future for human space exploration. So thank you for listening, and I hope her story inspires you to reach for your own dreams. So stay tuned for my next YouTube video. Bye bye, you all.